And if you want the lowest pricing available, make sure you go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link in the video description. That link will take you to the correct setup page and make sure you're getting the lowest pricing available on your VPS plan. And once you go to that link, you'll be brought to this page right here. Click on Choose Plan, and that'll bring you down to the plan options. For running Claude Code, I'd recommend the KVM2 plan. It'll give you 2 virtual CPU cores, 8 gigs of RAM, 100 gigs of disk space, and 8 terabytes of bandwidth. And this is going to be plenty for running Claude Code. Now, under the KVM2 plan, click Choose Plan. On this screen here, start by choosing your billing period. You can switch it from 24 months to 12 months in 1-month plans. For this video, I'm going to go with the 12-month option. That's still going to get me plenty of savings and a free domain for the first year. Below that, you can choose if you want to toggle on daily auto backups, and then below that, you can choose your server location. I'll leave this as the default location. Below this, you'll be able to see that we have the Claude Code template enabled. Right here, you'll see we have Claude Code built on Ubuntu 24.04, which is exactly what we need. Go down and click on Confirm. Now you can scroll back up and review the order here on the right. And don't forget to use the first link in the video description to get an additional 10% off here. Once you're ready, go down and click on Continue. Then here you need to register for a Hostinger account. Enter your email address and create a password. Click on Register. Then on the screen here, you'll need to enter your billing address and payment information. Go ahead and fill that out, go through the checkout process, and I'll meet you at the next step. Once you're here, click on Get Started. Click on Generate to create a root password. Click on the eyeball button to reveal it. Go ahead and highlight this and copy it, and then save it somewhere safe on your computer. After that, click on Next. Click on Finish Setup. And now Hostinger will begin setting up your VPS. This process can take a few minutes to complete, so I'll fast forward to whenever it's done. Once your VPS is ready to go, click on Manage VPS. Scroll down this page and click on Skip. And now you'll be in your Hostinger VPS dashboard.